Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Nvidia graphic card on Windows 11. For this, go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Nvidia website. Go ahead and select your product type. So in my case it's GeForce. So select your product type, then go ahead and select your series, and then make sure that you select your series, and then select your graphic card from the list. And for the operating system, click on this drop down option and then select Windows 11, and then click on search. Now once you click on search, here you can see on the bottom there are two drivers. One is GeForce Game Ready driver and one is Nvidia Studio driver. So click on GeForce Game Ready driver, click on it. Now click on download. Again click on download, and this will go ahead and download the exe file. Once the download is complete, run this exe file, then you will see this screen, and then click on agree and continue, and then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, and then click on next, and it will go ahead and install the Nvidia graphic card driver on Windows 11. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.